Babe Ruth, the king of home runs.
Babe Ruth changed baseball by hitting more home runs than his previous record in 1920 playing for the New York Yankees. Baseball fans started going to more games and started to invest more in baseball game because previously the Boston Red Sox cheated in the 1919 championship game. Babe Ruth was a leader because he wanted the game of baseball to be perfect and wanted people to care about it again. He didn't want to be like his younger self. He has a legacy even today by developing a relationship with baseball fans that lasts even after his death by fans caring about Babe Ruth and baseball in America. Baseball was America's favorite sport in the early 1900s. Many people enjoyed watching baseball. Babe Ruth was one of those people playing baseball when he was little. He dreamed of playing baseball in the Major League Baseball. Babe Ruth's real name was George Herman Ruth. When he was younger, he went to a school called St. Mary's. The school was like a boot camp. If the students talked during breakfast, they might get whipped. In his free time, he played baseball every day. By the time he was 16, he was one of the best players at St. Mary's, and he was the biggest and strongest boy also. One day he was so good he got 3 home runs and struck out 22 batters. People started to hear about him, so the owner of the Major League Baltimore Orioles, Jack Dunn, came to watch him play. On February 14, 1914, Mr. Dunn offered him a contract to play for his Major League team. The season started and he was a pitcher, one of the best. In 1915, Babe Ruth started out as a pitcher, but he switched to a batter because the first time he was practicing, he batted and his coach saw it and wanted him to bat more. He was so good. He soon got a new contract with the Boston Red Sox. In 1919, Babe Ruth had 29 home runs playing for the Boston Red Sox. His team used to call him the king of home runs. They went to the playoffs, then went to the championship because of him. 1919, something bad happened in the baseball world in the United States. In the 1919 World Series, the Chicago White Sox were going against the Cincinnati Reds. Some of the White Sox players cheated by accepting money in exchange for a contract, so if they lost, they would get paid and if they didn't lose, they wouldn't get paid. After the game, people found out that they had cheated and fans felt mad about what happened. Fans started going to less and less games, and they started not to care for baseball anymore. But then, in 1920, something good happened. Babe Ruth got a contract to the New York Yankees. That year, Babe Ruth changed baseball forever. He promised the baseball league that he would hit more than 29 home runs in this season. And sure enough, that year he hit 54 home runs in a whole season, causing the fans to start to attend way more baseball games than before. The American baseball fans started to trust baseball now that Babe Ruth was hitting so many home runs, making the game exciting again. Babe Ruth saved baseball. Ruth became known as the Great Bambino in the Saint of Swat because of his home runs. More and more fans started to come out to watch the New York Yankees because Babe's reputation as the king of home runs. So many fans came to see this, they say, had to build a new stadium. On April 18, 1923, the gates of the New York Yankee Stadium opened and they named it the house that Ruth built. On the first game, Babe faced his old team, the Boston Red Sox. Babe made a wish and it came true. His wish was to achieve his goal of hitting 50 home runs in a season. That year, Babe Ruth hit 54 home runs, achieving beyond his goal. Babe Ruth also loved kids. He signed baseballs for them. He wanted kids to learn how to play the game because he didn't want them to grow up like he did. He was bad and a thief, and he didn't listen to his parents. He had used baseball to relieve his stress, and he wanted other kids to be able to grow up to become something too. He also donated money for the kids to be able to play baseball in different leagues. Today, Babe Ruth is still known by having a league for kids named after him.
In 1936, Babe Ruth got in the Major League Baseball Hall of Fame. And today, Babe Ruth is still known as one of the greatest baseball players of all time. Babe Ruth has tried his hardest to make a better image of himself and a better image of baseball, and he has accomplished his goal by being one of the greatest baseball players of all time.